Ever wondered how your daily habits impact our environment? You see, each action we take, each choice we make, ripples out into the world, shaping it. From the coffee you drink each morning to the way you commute to work, the potential for change lies in your hands. Our planet's health hinges on the choices we make every day. Now, what if we told you that living a greener lifestyle isn't as daunting as it seems? Today, we present to you some simple eco-warrior hacks that can make a big difference. Ready to start your eco journey? Here's the first set of hacks. Our first hack is a classic: reusable shopping bags. It's a small switch, but it can make a world of difference. Each year we use hundreds of billions of disposable bags worldwide. These bags often end up in our oceans, harming marine life and polluting our precious waters. But by using reusable shopping bags, we can significantly cut down on this waste. So next time you're heading to the grocery store, don't forget your reusable bag. Our second hack is to switch to LED light bulbs. Not only do they use up to 80% less energy than traditional bulbs, but they also last up to 25 times longer. That means less energy used, fewer bulbs in landfills, and more savings in your pocket. Simple changes, right? But they can make a huge impact on our environment. Let's dive deeper with more eco-warrior hacks. Now we're going to explore ways to conserve water and reduce waste by changing just a few daily habits. Think about your daily shower. Consider making it a tad shorter. Just reducing your shower time by 2 minutes can save approximately 10 gallons of water. That's right, 10 gallons. Multiply that by the number of showers you take in a year, and it's clear how a little change can make a big impact. Now let's talk about recycling. We've all heard of it, right? But it's not just about separating your plastic and paper. It's also about repurposing items that you would usually throw away. Got an old shirt? Turn it into a reusable shopping bag. An empty jar? Make it a chic storage container. These actions not only reduce waste, but give a second life to items otherwise destined for the landfill. Just imagine if everyone incorporated these hacks into their daily lives. The difference would be monumental. So, you've learned some eco-warrior hacks. What's next? Well, let's take a moment to recap. We've explored a multitude of simple yet powerful actions that each one of us can take. From swapping out single-use items for reusable alternatives, to reducing our energy consumption and even greening our diets. The power to make a significant difference lies in our hands. The beauty of these eco-warrior hacks is they not only contribute to the preservation of our environment, but they also offer a host of other benefits. For example, an eco-friendly lifestyle can lead to improved health. Consuming less processed food and more organic plant-based meals can do wonders for our well-being. What's more, being eco-conscious often means being cost-conscious. Many of these hacks, like using energy-efficient appliances or reducing water waste, can save us a pretty penny in the long run. But perhaps the most compelling benefit is the legacy we leave for our future generations. By making greener choices today, we're shaping a cleaner, safer world for our children and grandchildren. We're showing them that we care about their future and teaching them to do the same. So let's not underestimate the impact of our individual actions. As we make these small changes in our lives, we're collectively moving towards a more sustainable world. Remember, every small step towards a greener lifestyle counts. Start your eco journey today and be the change you wish to see in the world.